And yes, guys, I also found the other Bigfoot that was released this year. I think this was Target exclusive back in 2019. I'm not quite sure. That's what I remember. Bigfoot 50th anniversary, guys. Here it is. Hot Wheels Monster Trucks. Of course, the back we know. I really want the Tiger Shark. That's pretty cool. Name Bigfoot truck type pickup. Strength car crashing shocks. Crash Tech original stamp, which is always a quote. American flag symbol on top. 50th anniversary. And this is a beauty, guys. I can tell it's a beauty. Oh, it has metal flake. I don't even know. Here's a Bigfoot Firestone, guys. That is so cool. Look at that. Look at that beautiful blue metal flake. I love that paint. So here it is, guys. American flag design. Chrome rims and beadlocks. Black tires. Black roll cage. Silver chassis. Bigfoot on the back. Look at that metal flake, how it shines. Isn't that cool, guys, the metal flake? No headlight printing. So a pretty good addition to for any Bigfoot collector like me. I like collecting the Bigfoot variants that come out. Hot Wheels Monster Trucks logo has more logos on it. Alright, guys, so there's that one. Got one more to go.